we can go there before it rain, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you take that. And then we're gonna sit over there, and if it's raining, we have to rush inside.
Good morning, Philippines!
Morning! Hi guys! Tangtangin. Tatanggalin natin itong ko dito. Tignan natin, tanggalin ko ha. Kasi, nakalimutan ko na naman. Kasi, itong bag na ito is puno ng kit. Kit para sa, yung ganito. Tignan natin guys kung may malalabang bandages dito. Ito siya. Malaki daw ito siya. Waterproof, transparent dressing wound cover. Okay, ito siya. Maganda siya. Wala, ang dami guys. Look. Kita nyo? Yung mga pula-pula. Sobrang katiyan guys. Poison ivy yan. Poison ivy. Ang gagawin ko is mag-wipe ako nito. I'm going to wipe it with this. Ito yung Tekno na gamit ko guys. Tekno ko guys. Pakita ko sa inyo. Takadiha. Ay. Itong poison ivy guys, I think gustong-gusto nila ako. Gustong-gusto ng poison ivy yung katawan ko. As in. Then, kailangan i-cover. Para hindi tayo mahiya. Mamaya ko na to cover pag dating ko doon. Anyway, so kailangan ko nang umalis kasi late na. I mean, almost na. Ito yung Tekno guys na sabi ko. Tekno relieves itch. Hindi nyo makita eh. Ito siya. Okay guys, alis lang ako. And bigyan, mamaya ako na ito i-arrange. Bigyan ko lang yun ng yung mga aso po sa treats nila, palabasin. Oh my God. Hindi na ako magdala ng camera. Kasi, relax lang tayo ngayon. Doon sa kaibigan. Relax lang kami. And, yun. I will see you guys na lang mamaya or bukas. Yep, let's see. But, yeah, I'm not gonna bring you with me. What do you think of this weather?
Of this weather?
Yeah, it's really ugly, right?
Yeah, it's ugly because you don't know what to do with it. You go out, it's bad. It's just.
Do you wanna go? Do you wanna go to the back? You wanna go back?
Yeah, we can sit back there.
It's his tummy. It's nice to, to inhale fresh air. And we can go there before it rain, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you take that, and then we're gonna sit over there. And if it's raining, we have to rush inside.
We'll run. See who runs faster.
You, of course. Kidding me? You're a runner. You can run,
I'm
right?
a runner.
Yes, you are a runner. You can run really good. Believe me, if there is a snake in your foot, you can run, Mom. If there is a snake under in your feet.
I've lost a lot of my running. You haven't seen that.
How are you? Yes, baby. She come to me and she said, meow. Oh, what? What? You happy? You happy to see me?
Hi, baby. Now you come to me?
Now you
come to me?
Come to see Grandma.
That's double dose, huh? Double dose. Yeah. Double dose of scratching. Alright, poochie poochie. Huh? Poochie poochie poochie. You're a good poochie poochie.
Okay, you can go.
Goes back to you.
Oh, baby. You know what, guys? This cat, it's hindi yung sister-in-law ko yung nagmamay-ari. Ang owner nito, this is an outside cat. Like, ang owner nito is yung bahay dyan, kapitbahay nila. And then, iniwan nila, umalis sila, and then iniwan nila. Kawawa, di ba? And then, he's always outside. And yung sister-in-law ko yung inadapt nila. Pinakain, patulog sa loob, tubig, lahat. Yung mga gamot, ganon. So, right, ma'am? He is adopted.
Yeah.
Yeah. But he likes outside. He eat a lot of like rabbit. He is a hunter. But he is such a good cat, right, ma'am?
What?
He's a good cat.
Oh, she is a good cat.
Yeah, so loving, friendly.
Well behaved and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel bad though that they left him. The owner left him,
Yeah. I don't know why.
and they don't even take them while they were here. They don't even take him inside in the winter. You know how cold it is here. I feel bad for this cat. Hello, baby. I love this cat, guys. She's such a good cat. Good cat. Hi, guys. Kanina pa ako dito, guys. And, yes, I know, itong dalawa, pagod na pagod ng iwan. I know, but mama has to go get some food for my roxicles. Okay? For roxicles and mythicals. Mythicals and roxicles. Anyway, guys, i-text ko rin si Tammy. Hold on. Itong face ko ba, sobrang haggard, versosa, but whatever. Alis ako. Kanina lang nakarating ako dito mga 5 something. And gusto ko lang alis. I'm going to call Tammy. He's busy. I'll be right back, okay? I'll be right back. I will be right back. There's sad man face na, baby. No, you sad man na. You sad face mo na? Sad face, huh? Where you going? Where are you going? Mama will be right back. I'm gonna go get some doggy food for Roxy, okay? I will be quick. Time check, guys. It's 7 o'clock. Yeah, 7 o'clock na, pero ano lang ako alis. And kailangan ko lang grocery. Bilisang grocery lang ito, guys. And yeah, yun. Wala masyadong ganap, guys. Hi! Nakauwi na ako, guys. And ito lang yung nabili ko, guys. Walmart. Brussels sprout. Ito. Lutuin ko to bukas. Also, bell pepper, guys. Para sa chicken. Yeah. And bumili din ako ng mga masks. Hindi ako marunong mag-pronounce ng maraming, masks. Ito yung mga klaseng mask na ko, binili. Ito siya. Kayo na lang magbasa, look. And then, ito next. Hydrogel gold mask. Ito siya. And next is itong honey double mask. And also, itong gusto kong itry din is coffee coconut oil. Yan siya. And also, bumili din ako ng lotion. Na-try ko yung lotion ni Bianan. Sobrang ganda. And nagustuhan ko talaga siya. Ito yung Eucerin Intensive Repair Lotion. And very, siya, yung pinaka-high na So, kailangan ko ng lotion kasi sobrang dry. And gusto ko din itry itong Cetaphil na facial cleanser nila. Yep. And ano ba? Chicken adobo. Ilagay natin sa refrigerator. And what else? Of course, Hawaiian bread. Tatlo yung binili kong Hawaiian bread kasi yun na marami yung kakainin ko. Ito yung Hawaiian bread. Marami yung kakainin ko every morning. 4. Grabe, diba? 4. Grabe talaga ako, no? 4 talaga. Yung bread ni Tammy na beef steak Ito siya. Gustong-gusto din ito ng baby ko. Bumili ako ng turkey. Snack-snack lang sa sasakyan. Itong jerky bites. Masarap talaga siya, guys. Pero grabe salty. Control kami dyan. Hindi kami kumakain. Nagustuhan namin siya. Masarap siya. Pero, control lang kasi, you know, 2 eggs. Wala akong nakitang 2 dozens of eggs. Wala akong nakitang jumbo. So, ang kinuha ko is large. Usually, jumbo yung anuhin namin. And then, kung magkuha daw ako ng frozen broccoli. Yun, gusto ko to. Kailangan ko nang linisin yung refrigerator ko kasi madumi na. And of course, dog food and cat food. Okay, bukas ito lutuin. First time ko itong i-try itong Cetaphil na facial cleanser. And I heard a lot of good things about Cetaphil, guys. And dito itong mga mask. Meron tayo itong lagayan ng mask. Yan. And then itong facial cleanser. Lagay natin dito. Ito siya is ilagay natin dyan. And also yung lotion. Yan. And yan. Ito, may alcohol kami palagi sa bathroom kasi si Tami, after washing his face, talaga siya, tawag dito, alcohol sa mukha. Yun siya. And anyway, yan, tapos na. And kumain na ako kanina pa, guys. Yung ginain ko is leftover namin kahapon, yung hapon. And ang gagawin ko is kukunin ko lang yung punta tayo sa labas, kukunin ko yung yung garbage can. Andun pala sa labas. Okay, I'll see you back. I'll be back. Kapitbahay busy sa paglilinis, guys. Namatay talaga siya, guys, dahil inisprehan ko kasi yan dahil sa may poison ivy yan, pati ang bulaklak namatay. Kalot ka. Namatay talaga siya. Dito yung groundhog, guys, nagdidig. Ang grabe, ang kapal, ang na dun. Malalim na yung dinidig nila under here. Dito sa poste dito. It's really deep. Crazy because when I look at it, it's I don't know. That's why I add this railing here, the under one. Pasok tayo. Pasok. Where is? Oh, what is that? What is that? You give Mama this? A toy? What is this? What is this? What is this? Hello? What is this? Come. Ang cute ni Mitty ko. Ang cute. Ang cute sa baby. Ang cute. Roxy's outside. Hi, love.